What if I told you the biggest challenge for the future of AI is not about code or creativity, but about electricity? Every single chatbot image, every deepfake video, every smart reply is powered by a voracious new consumer of energy that's pushing our power grid to its limit. And right now, in 2025, America is quietly building a gigantic, multi-billion-dollar solution to stop the entire system from breaking. This is the AI data center. Experts project global electricity demand from them could more than double by 2030, with the US accounting for nearly half of all consumption. In places like Northern Virginia, the world's data center capital utilities warn demand could double by 2039. The problem is the grid. It was built for a different era. Getting a new data center connected can take up to 7 years. But AI can't wait. Its computing tasks cause wild, instantaneous swings in power, demand that are unlike anything we've seen before. This isn't just a tech story. It's about whether our lights stay on and our bills stay affordable. Enter the giant battery. The US energy storage market isn't just growing, it's exploding. In just the first 9 months of 2025, we installed more battery capacity than in all of 2024. That's up over 30% year-over-year. Why? Because this is the perfect match. Batteries are the shock absorbers for the grid. They can charge up when there's excess solar or wind power, and then discharge in a millisecond when an AI data center hits peak demand, keeping the whole system stable. Over half of all new utility-scale storage is now paired directly with solar farms, creating mini always-on power plants. This isn't just a niche tech trend. It's a complete rewiring of our energy future. First, it's a golden opportunity. For the storage industry, AI's power problem is a multi-billion-dollar lifeline. Tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, some of the world's largest energy buyers, now striking deals specifically for storage to back up their AI ambitions. Second, the tech is getting smarter. We're not just talking about bigger batteries, but smarter ones. New systems are being built specifically for AI, acting as part of the data center's core infrastructure to provide backup power and grid support simultaneously. And third, it's coming home. This revolution isn't just for tech giants. The same market forces and improved economics are driving a record-breaking boom in home batteries, as homeowners also seek reliability and lower bills. The next time you use an AI tool, remember, you're not just tapping into intelligence, you're tapping into a massive new energy reality. And the giant batteries we're rebuilding right now are what's standing between that future and a grid that can't keep up. The race to power AI is fundamentally reshaping American energy. What do you think? Is this the solution, or are we just building a bigger Band-Aid? Let me know in the comments below.